Show that the given sequence is an AP and find its nth term. Here, the given sequence is log A, comma, log AB, comma, log AB squared, comma, log AB cube, and so on. Let's recall the definition of an AP. A sequence is called an AP if it increases or decreases by a fixed number. In order to prove that this sequence is an AP, we will find the difference of second term and the first term, the third term and the second term, the fourth term and the third term. Second term minus the first term gives us log AB minus log A. And by using the log properties, we know that log A minus log B is same as log A over B. So it will be log AB over A, which gives you log B. Similarly, subtracting the third term and the second term, we get log AB square over AB, and which is same as log B. Similarly, we can find log AB cube minus log AB square equals log AB cube of over AB square, which is same as log B. As the difference between any two successive terms is the same, therefore the sequence is an AP. Now we need to find the nth term of this sequence. The formula for nth term of the sequence is given as a plus n minus 1 d. Here a is equal to log a, n minus 1, and d is equal to log b. And the second term here can be simplified by using the formula m log n is same as log n raised to the power m. So we have an equals log a plus log b raised to the power n minus 1, which is same as log m plus log n, which is log mn. So nth term can be written as log a b raised to the power n minus 1.